Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Notion AI for LinkedIn posts, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the Notion website. Log into your Notion account using your credentials. Navigate to the templates section on the left sidebar. Search for Notion AI in the template search bar. Click on the Notion AI integration template. Read the description to understand its features and benefits. Click on the Use this template button. Select the workspace where you want to install the Notion AI template. Confirm your selection by clicking Add to Workspace. Once added, open the Notion AI template in your workspace. Explore the functionalities provided in the template. Now, open LinkedIn in a new browser tab. Log into your LinkedIn account. Think about the type of post you want to create. Return to your Notion workspace with the Notion AI template open. Use the prompt features within Notion AI to generate content ideas. Input any specific information or keywords related to your LinkedIn post. Review the generated content from Notion AI. Edit the content as necessary to suit your style. Select and copy the final version of your LinkedIn post. Navigate back to your LinkedIn tab. Paste your content into the LinkedIn post editor. Adjust any formatting or add images if desired. Once satisfied, click the Post button on LinkedIn. Your post is now live, powered by Notion AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.